Welcome to a new video on Bold and Brave. 10 ways to make $1 million. Way number 1. Starting a successful business. Starting your own business is one of the most fulfilling and lucrative ways to make $1 million. It's not for the faint of heart, but with determination, hard work, and a bit of luck, you can turn your entrepreneurial dream into a reality. The key is to find a need in the market and fill it with a unique and valuable solution. From there, it's all about execution, marketing, and scaling. You'll face challenges and obstacles, but the rewards can be life-changing. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and make bold decisions. Remember, successful entrepreneurs are not afraid of failure. They just know they will learn from it and come back stronger. So, if you have an idea that you're passionate about and are willing to put in the time and effort, starting a business could be your ticket to making $1 million. Way number 2. Investing in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Investing in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency can be a smart and potentially profitable way to make $1 million. With the right approach, you can grow your wealth over time and reach your financial goals. The key to success in investing is education and due diligence. Take the time to research different options, understand the risks and rewards, and develop a strategy that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying your portfolio across multiple assets is also important to reduce risk. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scam. Consistent, informed decisions and a disciplined approach can help you reach your financial goals and make $1 million through investing. So, if you're willing to educate yourself, take calculated risks, and have patience, investing could be the path to reaching your financial dreams. Way number 3. Creating and selling a popular product or service. Creating and selling a popular product or service can be a surefire way to make $1 million. The key to success is to understand your target market and create a product or service that they cannot resist. From there, it's all about marketing and scaling your offerings. Whether you're selling a physical product or a service, the key to success is to continuously improve and innovate. Don't be afraid to pivot and adjust your approach as needed. With hard work and determination, you can turn your product or service into $1 million business. So, if you have a great idea and are willing to put in the effort to make it a reality, creating and selling a popular product or service could be your ticket to financial success. Way number 4. Winning the lottery or a lawsuit settlement. Winning the lottery or a lawsuit settlement can be a once-in-a-lifetime chance to make $1 million. While these scenarios are not a reliable or consistent way to build wealth, they can provide a significant windfall that can change your life. The key to making the most of a lucky win is to use the money wisely and invest it in a smart and responsible way. This could mean paying off debt, investing in a diversified portfolio, or using the funds to start a business or pursue other financial goals. It's also important to understand the tax implications and seek advice from a financial advisor. While winning the lottery or a lawsuit settlement may not be a guaranteed path to wealth, it can be a life-changing opportunity if handled correctly. So, if Lady Luck shines on you, make the most of it and turn it into $1 million opportunity. Way number 5. Building and selling a high-demand app or software. Building and selling a high-demand app or software can be a fast and lucrative way to make $1 million. In today's tech-driven world, the demand for innovative and user-friendly software is at an all-time high. By identifying a need in the market and creating a solution that solves a problem, you can tap into a potentially huge customer base. The key to success is to understand your target market and create a product that they will love. From there, it's all about marketing and scaling your offerings. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, there are endless opportunities to create and sell software that can make a big impact. With hard work and determination, you can turn your software idea into $1 million business. So, if you have a passion for technology and a great idea, building and selling a high-demand app or software could be your ticket to financial success. Way number 6. Investing in passive income streams, such as rental properties. Investing in passive income streams, such as rental properties, can be a smart and effective way to make $1 million. By using other people's money to generate income, you can build wealth and reach financial freedom without having to work long hours. The key to success is to understand the real estate market, perform thorough research, and make informed investment decisions. This could mean investing in rental properties, participating in a real estate investment trust, or even crowdfunding. With a diversified portfolio and a long-term strategy, Passive income streams can provide a steady stream of income, allowing you to live off the interest and grow your wealth over time. So, if you're looking for a way to make money while you sleep, investing in passive income streams could be the path to making $1 million. Way number 7. Saving and carefully managing your finances over a long period of time. Saving and carefully managing your finances over a long period of time can be a straightforward and effective way to make $1 million. By living below your means, reducing your expenses, and putting away money regularly into a savings or investment account, you can build wealth and achieve financial freedom. The key to success is to develop a budget, automate your savings, and invest in a diversified portfolio. Additionally, it's important to live within your means, avoid debt, and make smart financial decisions that will help you grow your wealth over time. With a consistent and disciplined approach, saving and carefully managing your finances can lead to substantial wealth and financial security. So, if you're looking for a way to make your money work for you, saving and carefully managing your finances could be the path to making $1 million. Way number 8. Selling a valuable intellectual property, such as a patent. Selling a valuable intellectual property, such as a patent, can be a lucrative way to make $1 million. By creating or acquiring a valuable intellectual property and protecting it with a patent, you can leverage your innovation to generate substantial wealth. The key to success is to identify a valuable market opportunity, perform thorough research, and develop or acquire a unique and valuable solution. Additionally, it's important to secure a patent and properly market your intellectual property to potential buyers. With the right combination of creativity, innovation, and business savvy, selling a valuable intellectual property can lead to substantial financial gains. So, if you have a unique solution or idea, selling a valuable intellectual property could be the path to making $1 million. Way number 9. Participating in high-risk, high-reward investments, such as venture capital. Participating in high-risk, high-reward investments, such as venture capital, can be a thrilling way to make $1 million. By investing in startups and early-stage companies, you have the potential to earn substantial returns on your investment. The key to success is to understand the venture capital industry, perform thorough research, and make informed investment decisions. This could mean investing in individual startups, participating in a venture capital fund, or even becoming an angel investor. With a diversified portfolio and a long-term strategy, high-risk, high-reward investments can provide substantial returns and help you reach your financial goals. However, it's important to keep in mind that these types of investments are inherently risky, and it's possible to lose money as well. So, if you're looking for a way to make big returns on your investment, participating in high-risk, high-reward investments could be the path to making $1 million. Way number 10. Pursuing a career in a high-earning field, such as technology or finance. Pursuing a career in a high-earning field, such as technology or finance, can be a surefire way to make $1 million. By developing your skills, gaining experience, and climbing the corporate ladder, you can earn a substantial income and achieve financial stability. The key to success is to choose a field that interests you, invest in your education and training, and continually improve your skills and knowledge. With hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take on challenges, you can achieve great success and reach your financial goals. Additionally, it's important to develop a strong network, build relationships, and seek out opportunities for advancement. With a combination of drive, talent, and smart career choices, pursuing a career in a high-earning field can be a rewarding way to make $1 million. So, if you're looking for a steady path to financial success, pursuing a career in a high-earning field may be the right choice for you. Thank you for watching. Leave your questions and your opinion in the comment section. Stay motivated.